ghetto rigged stairs. Whoa. Hey there. Oh, shit. Dude, what the fuck? You don't have to try to shoot me, brother. What are you doing? You crazy? Put your gun down. I'm friendly, man. Just put it away, man. I'm friendly.
I'm putting it away. I'm putting it away.
Alright, man. I'm watching you. Just put it away. There, man. Alright, what's up, man? How you doing? You doing good?
Yeah. I'm doing pretty good.
Do you have any friends?
No.
No? Okay,
I'm
man.
rolling with them.
Bullshit, he didn't. He tried to kill me. Fucking dove down, dude. I'll lift that dude up. Alright. Let's go upstairs.